Watermelon salad. I may need your help for this, Jay. This knife is not big enough. Maybe I should poke a hole. Look at that! I did it! I did it, Jay. I did it.
Good job.
Okay. This is so good. Okay, now we're gonna cut it one more time, just like that. Ready? Straight in. Not working out, Jay. Perfect. Okay, let's have, okay? Then we have a simple cookie cutter and we're gonna make some cuts like that. Okay, so next we're gonna take our ingredients, and I'm just making a small batch of this just so you guys have an idea, but this is so simple and delicious. We have our watermelon. I'm gonna add in some cheese, some blueberries, a little bit of lemon juice. Let me grab our mint.
What if Blueberry appeared in your video, Mommy?
And just a little pinch of salt. And that's it. You have a refreshing dessert, healthy. Enjoy.